Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about one of the famous and oldest city, Varanasi. Varanasi, also known as Kashi, is one of the oldest living cities in the world. Varanasi's prominence in Hindu mythology is virtually unrevealed. Mark Twain, the English author and literature, who was enthralled by the legend and sanctity of Banaras, once wrote, "Banaras is older than history, older than tradition, older even than legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together." The land of Varanasi, Kashi, has been the ultimate pilgrimage spot for Hindus for ages. Hindus believe that one who is graced to die on the land of Varanasi would attain salvation and freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. Abode of Lord Shiva and Parvati, the origins of Varanasi are yet unknown. Ganges in Varanasi is believed to have the power to wash away the sins of mortals. Hindus believe that one who is graced to die on the land of Varanasi would attain salvation and freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. The Kashi Vishwanath temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a central attraction for pilgrims. The Ganga Aarti at Dashashwamedh Ghat is a mesmerizing experience, drawing devotees and tourists every evening. Other notable spots include the Serene Assi Ghat, the historic Banaras Hindu University, and Sarnath, where Lord Buddha gave his first sermon. Together, these places make Kashi a unique blend of spirituality, history, and tradition. The city is a center of learning and civilization for over 3,000 years. Ganges is said to have its origins in the tresses of Lord Shiva, and in Varanasi, it expands to the mighty river that we know of. With Sarnath, the place where Buddha preached his first sermon after enlightenment, just 10 kilometers away, Varanasi has been a symbol of Hindu Renaissance. Knowledge, philosophy, culture, devotion to gods, Indian arts and crafts have all flourished here for centuries. Also a pilgrimage place for Jains, Varanasi is believed to be the birthplace of Parshvanath, the 23rd Tirthankar. Vaishnavism and Shaivism have coexisted in Varanasi harmoniously. Varanasi has also been a great center of learning for ages. Varanasi is associated with promotion of spiritualism, mysticism, Sanskrit, yoga and Hindi language, and honored authors such as the ever-famous novelist Prem Chand and Tulsi Das, the famous saint poet who wrote Ramcharitmanas. Aptly called as the cultural capital of India, Varanasi has provided the right platform for all cultural activities to flourish. Many exponents of dance and music have come from Varanasi. Ravi Shankar, the internationally renowned sitar maestro, and Ustad Bismillah Khan, the famous Shehnai player, are all sons of the blessed city or have lived here for major part of their lives.